This reminds me full of Chernobyl swimming pool. Imagine this, you're putting sandbags to prevent water coming into your house, but in reality it goes all the way to the top, above the first floor.
Yeah, you have 4 seats or 3 seats?
I could do 6. I could take 4 other people.
4 other people can go with him then?
Is
so
it
4 people can go with, what's your name?
Mark.
Mark, I'm gonna forget that.
Oh, hi Mark.
Oh, I'm never gonna forget that. We'll go to the cars in about 5 minutes and then we'll leave to Altenaar to Hotel Lang.
Right, good morning comrades, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to, for now, the Nürburgring, but as Diana mentioned, today we'll be going back to Altenaar, the Hotel Lang, where we were working on Saturday, but also yesterday on Monday, a part of our crew was working there, and today I will be going there as well. So very excited to see how the progress has become, very excited to help out again, hopefully more than 3 hours than last time on Saturday. The crew is rolling out already. There's one thing I want to say, is that Koenigsegg has joined the efforts. They are selling, I think, 50 limited edition posters. Both check out the video description for more details. At this point I am like so overwhelmed that I kind of forgot the details, but yeah, all the money raised will go to the ones affected. So let's go. First time I'm not driving. Yeah. We're waiting on Diana.
Yeah.
It's always that one person.
Alright, let's go.
There's always that one person we're waiting on.
Fuck you.
Bringing the big guns, huh? Yes. The road is finished, that's nice.
Where's the parking?
The
We'll go straight or try to get over the bridge. Here.
Left. So let's like split up the group.
Okay, we will actually be splitting up in 2 groups. One group will go to Hotel Lang, where we were also on Saturday, and one group will be going to Hotel to Post, where they have a swimming pool in the basement.
Hello?
Don't take the elevator.
Why not? I agree.
Nicht hinten hin. Irgendwie steht verstanden, dass hier soll ab. Da bräuchten wir mal Kräfte, die da bitte die Tür aufmachen, sonst nicht.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Oh.
We need to empty this?
Yes.
Can we get in through the other side? Oh, that's fun.
How deep is it?
I don't know.
This reminds me full of Chernobyl swimming pool. Obviously that this got flooded. Let's go check out how Hotel Lang looks like and what they're doing. Interesting, that house was still standing last Saturday. I wonder if they already demolished it or if it fell down by its own. What's happening, Rico? Drinking coffee on the job is always not working, huh? Yeah.
We'll never skip your breakfast.
Yeah.
No, we are waiting for Woody still on his phone, so maybe the house is taken down and then we don't need to do anything in there.
Ah, okay.
So we are just waiting on like orders.
Guck mal.
Pretty much straightforward, taking floor out, which is good because this means there's a progress. All the mud has been scooped out already. Just get downstairs with the group and then I'll come and get you. And we can proceed to other work, so it's good to see progress. We've been also told to leave one of the buildings there because it might get demolished. Just for the illustration, we are on the first floor, pretty much the second floor, and the water was still here. Crazy. So what does it do? And it doesn't do anything. I think it's easier to smash the rock than the window frame.
Yeah.
Boy got some anger.
Yes.
That would be great advertisement for the window maker if we knew who it was.
Yeah.
Virus, made in Germany. Shout out to you. Fuck yeah! Oh, sorry for making a mess here, man. How's it going?
Hi, Misha.
Hey.
Pretty exhausting, but it's going. Fighting with glue.
Nice.
Not many companies will do it.
Yeah, it's like there, massive crack. You see through the yellow?
Oh yeah, oh yeah. This side of the building is sinking,
Yeah.
and it probably won't stop for a while.
Guys, let's get out of here. There's like, here's a massive crack. Not here, but like in the next window building. And it's like, it may like just collapse. We're just leaving from here.
Okay. Okay.
Huh? Okay, wait a second. Was brauchst du? Oh fuck.
Wo fliegst du?
Wie schwer ist er? Warte. Oh, what do you got? Dude, looks amazing. Awesome. What is this?
It's like a carton or so. With
Nice.
meat and salad and shit.
I don't want shit. We only shovel it.
With beep.
Mit alles. Do you have with or without meat?
Hey, please not film me when I have food in my mouth.
Okay. You know, it's like the prison. The people on top are like the highest of the hierarchy.
Yeah, you know what? I get cracked on the wall. Oh, again? Yeah.
But big cracks, or they getting new ones?
Yeah, bigger cracks.
Oh.
We have found some cracks in the building, and the cracks are being bigger, so it's too dangerous. So we are stopping all work. Now we will try if we can find something new for you to do.
I think Martin found something.
Yep. So there's another job to do. There's the bank down the road. That cellar is full of mud. There's stuff in the cellar. There's things to be taken out. So there's still plenty of work, and they desperately need help.
Let's go then.
So that's really kind of shit. We spent like what, 3-4 hours working, and then realized that the cracks that we found earlier became bigger. It's obviously not safe to stay there. Maybe the whole building gets demolished. Work for nothing. Now we're gonna go somewhere else. Plenty of work anyway.
Lass uns hier anfangen mit
We'll take the snow shovels as well. And
Snow.
The water was up until there. It's crazy. I'm gonna join the line. So we've been throwing out the mud here, and it appears that there's a window downstairs that goes into the basement. So the mud is going back to the basement. Amazing. Oh, and it's going to be very rainy in a bit. Saturday repeats.
oh my god!
Of course it works. Everything works.
Cheers to all. Teamwork make the dream work. And where's the scotch, Martin?
I have no idea.
Cheers. half of the house already got effed. Which car are you driving?
Driving. And this car washed. So I'm driving in the back of the van.
Oh.
Right back.
You have no clean clothes with you or what? Oh wow. More beer for the people. While everyone is on a lunch break, let's go check out how it actually looks downstairs. Oh, that's gonna be fun to clear out. Yeah. Well, at least there's already lots of progress. I don't know if we're gonna finish it today though.
Kölle Alarv rufen, ne? Hier ist der Altena. Also, bei 3. 1, 2, 3, alle!
So we go right?
Yeah, because on the left they're tearing down the house. I think whole village is gonna be torn down. Let's see if George cleaned up the house of yesterday already. No. Fast forward back to Apex, and we have, it's like a full kebab spec here.
Hello.
Hello, food.
Food, yeah.
What happened to the no food in the office rule?
Well,
Well, there was also no dirt in the office, but
Yeah.
Kind of not work.
Yum. Well, as you can see, we're back at Apex and we already have food from Alibaba. Not Ali Kebaba in Croatia, but Alibaba in Adenau, who, by the way, charge only, I believe, 50% of the actual price now during this crisis for all the helpers and all the ones affected. So, massive shout out to them. Well, today was a, I guess, semi-productive day. We, of course, helped to clean out the basement partially of the bank, but working at the hotel. One hotel was productive, but the second one, like I said, we wasted 3 hours after finding cracks, and after that the cracks became bigger. So, but hey, it is what it is. It's just a hard reality. But I think overall it was good. Everyone had, I wouldn't say fun, but everyone is always, all the new people and also older people keep coming back to those events, cleanup situations. But all the new people, they say like, oh, you know, it's so amazing because we just like meet new people, we have so much fun. Fun retrospective, or fun quotation marks, but like, you know, working together on the same cause. And yeah, this is why it's, in a way, it's like a spark of hope and of humanity in bad situations, etc. Anyway, let's not get too philosophical. I hope you guys, quotation marks, enjoyed today's video, and looking forward to see you tomorrow, when I'm kind of tempted to take a day off, but I will have a day off regardless on Thursday because I have a couple of appointments. So probably I'll just pull through tomorrow, and then Thursday day off, and then Friday again, and we'll see. At this point, I believe on the weekend DF will be open, and for that we'll have a separate video. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna enjoy my kebab, and see you in tomorrow's video. Bye. Food chats, all the food chats.